Welcome to Bike News. Today, we dive into one of the most anticipated adventure bikes of the year, the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. Designed for riders who live for off-road challenges and long-distance exploration, the new Himalayan marks a revolutionary step forward for Royal Enfield, blending rugged design with modern performance and high-end features. Built on the brand-new Sherpa 450 platform, this motorcycle is lighter, more powerful, and loaded with tech that adventure enthusiasts have been waiting for. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 Himalayan 450 retains the core identity of its predecessor but now looks more refined and purpose-built. With a taller stance, sharper fuel tank design, and integrated crash protection, the bike means business. It sports a larger windscreen, updated LED lighting, and a sleek digital TFT display that supports navigation and smartphone connectivity. The ergonomics are well suited for both sitting and standing riding positions, thanks to the wider handlebars, split seat setup, and improved suspension geometry that enhances off-road comfort. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Himalayan 450 lies a brand new 452 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing approximately 40 horsepower and 40 Newton-meters of torque. This is a massive leap from the older model and gives the new Himalayan a more confident and responsive character on highways and trails. The 6-speed gearbox is smoother and now includes a slipper clutch for better control. The ride-by-wire system ensures crisp throttle response, while the new frame and lightweight body result in better handling and agility across terrains. Technology and features. Royal Enfield has packed the Himalayan 450 with modern features while keeping the spirit of simplicity intact. The bike includes a full-color TFT dash with turn-by-turn navigation powered by Google Maps, switchable ABS, multiple riding modes, and USB charging ports. The all-new suspension setup features Showa USD forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, giving it excellent travel for conquering rough terrain. Dual-purpose tires, spoke wheels, and improved braking round off the mechanical package beautifully. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is not just an update. It's a complete transformation. With better power, cutting-edge features, and a strong off-road presence, it's now more equipped than ever to take on high passes, forest trails, and cross-country tours. For riders who want real-world adventure without breaking the bank, the Himalayan 450 finally delivers the complete package. Stay tuned to Bike News for more updates, ride reviews, and comparisons of the best bikes of 2025.